Welcome to a transformative exploration into a world where your plate holds the key to rejuvenating one of your body's most vital organs, the kidneys. Imagine feeding your body with foods that have the incredible potency to not just nourish, but repair and rejuvenate. Your kidneys, marvels of biological engineering, filter 200 liters of blood daily, regulate blood pressure, and assist in producing red blood cells. Unfortunately, modern diets often burden these silent warriors. Today, we unveil the regenerative power of 14 incredible foods that breathe life back into your kidneys. Have you been unknowingly enjoying these gems, or have you missed out on their healing touch? The secrets are about to be unraveled, offering you a pathway to kidney health that has always been within your reach. Number 1. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are more than a colorful addition to your meals, they are nutrient-rich powerhouses. Low in potassium, they are suitable for a kidney-friendly diet, offering essential vitamins and antioxidants without overburdening the kidneys. Rich in vitamins A, C, B6, folic acid, and fiber, red bell peppers actively combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. This vibrant vegetable supports immune health, cell regeneration, and overall well-being, making it an essential component of a diet aimed at rejuvenating kidney function. Number 2. Cabbage. Cabbage, a versatile and widely available vegetable, is laden with vitamins and antioxidants. It boasts vitamin C, K, B6, and essential phytonutrients that work synergistically to combat inflammation and oxidative stress, both instrumental in kidney health. The fiber content aids digestion and manages blood sugar levels, reducing diabetes-related kidney complications. Glucosinolates in cabbage break down to bioactive compounds during digestion, offering additional protective effects against kidney damage. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic's benefits transcend its culinary uses. Its rich allicin content is known for antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, offering a two-pronged approach to kidney health. By mitigating oxidative stress and inflammation, garlic can significantly reduce the risk of kidney damage. It's also instrumental in managing blood pressure and cholesterol levels, addressing two major risk factors associated with kidney disease. Incorporating garlic into your diet enhances flavor while offering robust protection to your kidneys. Number 4. Onions. Onions, though pungent, are invaluable in kidney health. Packed with antioxidants like quercetin, they offer robust defense against oxidative stress and inflammation. The low potassium content is an added advantage, making onions a safe and beneficial addition to a kidney-friendly diet. These aromatic bulbs support cellular health, detoxification, and overall well-being. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, with their rich flavor and nutrient content, are significant in kidney health. They offer beta-carotene and fiber while maintaining a low potassium profile. Beta-carotene, converted to vitamin A in the body, supports the urinary system's health, including the kidneys. The fiber aids in blood sugar regulation, addressing a common cause of kidney issues, while offering digestive benefits. Number 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower, with its subtle flavor and texture, is a cruciferous vegetable offering an abundance of vitamin C, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds. It's a holistic food for combating oxidative stress, supporting detoxification, and managing inflammation. The versatility of cauliflower makes it easy to incorporate into various dishes, offering a nutrient boost that fosters optimal kidney function. Number 7. Kale. Kale, the leafy green renowned for its nutrient density, is rich in vitamins A, C, and calcium. It offers antioxidant benefits, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. The calcium content supports bone health, significant for those with kidney issues who may face bone density problems. Kale's nutrient profile supports overall health and well-being. Number 8. Berries. Berries offer a delightful mix of flavor and nutrients. Anthocyanins, the compounds that give berries their vibrant color, are potent antioxidants. They combat free radicals, reducing the risk of kidney damage and aiding in maintaining optimal renal function. Berries are a delightful addition to the diet, offering sensory pleasure and robust health benefits. Number 9. Apples. The classic apple, with its crisp texture and sweet flavor, offers a mix of fiber and antioxidants. Apples support detoxification, reduce inflammation, and manage cholesterol levels. The pectin in apples is particularly beneficial for detoxification and digestive health. As a snack or part of a meal, apples are a convenient and tasty avenue to enhanced kidney health. Number 10. Cherries. Cherries, with their delightful flavor, offer health benefits anchored in their rich anthocyanin content. These compounds are instrumental in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, offering protective effects for the kidneys and enhancing their filtering capacity. Cherries are a delightful, sensory-rich pathway to enhanced kidney health. Number 11. Red grapes. Red grapes, with their sweet, tangy flavor, are not just a palate pleaser but also a source of resveratrol, a potent antioxidant. It combats oxidative stress, reduces inflammation, and offers a protective effect for the kidneys, aiding in their repair and regeneration. Number 12. Fish. Fish, especially varieties rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and mackerel, are essential in a kidney-friendly diet. These fats reduce inflammation, support cellular health, and enhance blood flow, creating an environment where kidneys can function optimally and recover from existing damage. Number 13. Egg whites. Egg whites offer pure, high-quality protein, essential for tissue repair, inflammatory response, and overall cellular function. Low in phosphorus, they are a kidney-friendly protein source, providing essential amino acids without overburdening the kidneys. Number 14. Olive oil. Olive oil, especially the extra virgin variety, is a blend of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, fostering a supportive environment for kidney health. Its versatility in culinary applications makes it an easy and delightful addition to a kidney-supportive diet. Each of these 14 foods plays a unique role in promoting kidney health. Incorporating a variety of them into your balanced diet can offer a holistic approach to supporting your kidneys' function and overall well-being. Always remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet to ensure they align with your specific health needs and conditions. Each food is a chapter in the grand narrative of kidney health, unveiling the possibility of renewal and vitality that's always been within reach. Every choice, every bite, is a step towards a world where vitality and wellness are not aspirations, but lived realities. Dive into this journey with these 14 foods as your allies, and let nature's healing touch be your guide. As we embark on this journey of rediscovering and rejuvenating kidney health, it's essential to remember that each individual's nutritional needs and health status are unique. We strongly advocate for a personalized approach to dietary and lifestyle changes. Always consult with your healthcare professional or dietitian before making any significant alterations to your diet. They can provide tailored advice, considering your specific health conditions, medications, and overall dietary needs to ensure safety and effectiveness. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our daily uploads, offering you a wealth of health and wellness insights. Stay healthy and informed.